All right, we're going to continue one-step equations today, but we're going to talk about multiplication and division equations. Let's look at this original problem. 3x equals 18. What does that mean, 3x equals 18? What's the math that you're going to do? What do you think, Zane?
3 plus x equals 18. Or 3 times x.
3 times x, right? If we don't see an operation sign, that means to multiply. So could I think of that one in my head without actually showing the work? Yeah, it's 6. But all the problems aren't going to be that easy, so you have to be able to show your work. So let's think about it. The first thing we have to do is undo the multiplication or division first. And how do we undo multiplication? We have to use the inverse operation, which is what, Eiley? We can't use zero pair because zero pair is adding and subtracting. Eiley, you want to give it another try? No, you're good.
You divide.
You divide. The inverse operation, the opposite of multiply, is divide. So how do we show division? We need to write it like what, Zane?
18 divided by 3.
So let's show the work. 3x equals 18. And we show division using a fraction bar. 3x divided by 3, because we want the x by itself. So whatever we do to this side of the equal sign, we have to do to this side. So we're going to do 18 divided by 3. What's 3 divided by 3?
9.
1.
No. Well, you are to answer that.
3 divided by 3 is 1. So we're left with 1x equals 18 divided by 3 is 6. And when I rewrite this, do I need to write the 1x?
No.
No. Whenever you just have an x, it's understood that there is just one of them. So x equals 6. Could you check that now? You could. You could say 3 times, and replace the x with a 6. 3 times 6 equals 18. And 3 times 6 is 18, and 18 does equal 18. So it is correct. Any questions about that problem? No? Do you remember that from last year? Yes. Okay. All right. Let's move on to division. The original problem. How would I say this original problem? Danielle?
X over 4 equals 6.
So it is over 4.
X divided by 4 equals 6.
Yes, x divided by
No,
4
answer.
equals 6.
No, yes, I do.
What is the answer?
It's 2.
2 divided by 4 is 6.
No, it's 24.
It is 24.
Yeah, I need this.
Okay.
I raised my hand. I answered for all of them. Still raise my hand.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do is undo the division or multiplication. This is division. So how am I going to show the inverse operation? What am I going to do? Patty?
Okay, well, you times 4 by 4, and you times 6.
All right. So as I look at it, x divided by 4 equals 6. So I need to divide both sides. Multiply both sides by 4. So I can
Yay, go on.
multiply x times 4 and 6 times 4. So now I have 4x divided by 4. And 4x divided by 4 leaves me with an x equals 6 times 4 is 24. X equals 24. All right, so do you understand how if I multiply it, I get 4x, and then if I solve it, 4 divided by 4 equals x. So those go away, they cancel each other out, and you're left with x equals 24. And can I check that?
Yes.
Yes, replace the x with a 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6, and 24 divided by 4 is 6. 6 equals 6. Yes, that one is correct. All right, any questions? Yes.
put 6 equals 6?
Because whatever happens on one side of the equal sign has to equal the other side. So I've done this math. 24 divided by 4 is 6, and 6 does equal 6, right? Yeah.
6 definitely equals 6. So 6 and 11. I know what I'm trying to say.
Okay. All right, any questions? We need to cut this out, and it needs to go on page, let's take a look, what page in our journal? 39 in our journal. At the top, write one-step equations, multiplication and division, and glue it on that page.